Hey everyone, Austin here from Currie Motorsport of Frankfort, and we're taking a look at this dually right out here on our front line. It is one of one, pretty much. The closest one to this vehicle is going to be about 450 miles away from here. So let's take a look at this vehicle and see why it sits front and center on our front line. So this truck sits right out front of our dealership, front and center between all of the trucks, because it is pretty much, as I said before, one of one. You can't find this truck anywhere. You're going to have a dually 350 with the 6.8 engine, custom wheels on this one, but it also has that FX4 package, fifth wheel prep. This truck definitely can handle and do anything that you want it to do. Diving right into it, you do have the new styling, new look for the 2023s on here. You can see our fog lights down here, that nice giant grille up front. Nice headlights, you have the nice reflectors on the side there. Coming down the side, you do have this new XL350 badging. Each of the mirrors, of course, are going to say Ford right there. As we come down the side, you are going to have the built-in platform running boards there. Now, adding for the 23s and on, you are going to have this nice bed step. The bed step here, boom, right in. You're right in the bed. You're also going to have some lights around the quarter panel sticking out over those dually wheels. A new add-on as well is going to be these side steps back here, so you can step in here, step in the middle, step in that side, or you could use the bed tailgate step right there. Tailgate step pops out, you step right in. You are going to have that fifth wheel prep package as well. You can have some trailer plugins there and a measuring stick along the back. Now you can see from here that power sliding rear window. Always nice to have one of those. Now, as far as looking inside the vehicle, you're going to have a ton of space. It has the flooring that I really like. It's that vinyl flooring, easy to clean out. You could literally hose this out if you wanted to. It is very nice, very convenient flooring. The seats obviously were folded up. You can see the heated part of this rear window as well. Now, in the back seats, you are going to have your USB plugins, 12-volt plug-in. Getting in the vehicle, you are going to have that Ford Pass app that allows you to unlock, lock, auto start the car from anywhere in the world. You will have your key fob to unlock, lock, and auto start the vehicle. Or you can manually use the flip out key to unlock that door. So let's take a look on the inside here. So here on the inside, you are going to have some tech here and there. You're going to have the nice 75th anniversary logo there when it kicks on. So let's jump right into it. All of your power windows here. The front two are going to be the auto up and down windows. You are going to have auto high beams. Auto high beams will kick on when it's dark enough out there. And once it senses another light source, it'll kick them off. That way you're not blinding other drivers out there on the road. You have your cruise control here, your volume, your hands-free assistant. You can answer calls, hang up calls, flip through all of your menus here as well. I personally enjoy the shifters up here on the steering console. I like it. It feels more trucky than if I had it down here, but that's to each their own. Now, our screen up here, we are going to have our digital speedometer as our main screen. You can go through and change all of these. As we bump over here to the center stack screen, you are going to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You'll be able to plug your phones into this, go through all of your features, such as your driver assistance and your new digital owner's manual that'll play videos and go through anything you want it to in the vehicle. You have your zone lighting for each of the mirrors, and in the back to turn on some lights. You're able to go down here, adjust some of the screen stuff if you don't want to use the digital, and you can do all of your air and heat settings. You have a small storage spot here, really nice actually size-wise to put your phone on it, and you can have a cord plugged in if you wanted to, or just sit your phone there and listen to the radio. You are going to have some different drive modes, so let's zoom you in, take a look at those drive modes. You're going to have normal, slippery, off-road, tow haul, eco. Each of those are going to change your four-wheel drive settings, your traction control settings, and make it an overall better experience for whatever conditions you're driving in. Down below, you are going to have another deep storage section down there. Up on the middle console, this opens with some storage. You could put your phone here, and it has a space to run the wire. I personally like the bench trucks. You can flip this up. You have a third seat up here, making it a 6-seater. This also folds up and gives you some under-seat storage. Across the way for your passenger, they're going to have a 12 volt, a 120 volt, your glove box, and this open storage box here. Now, right up above, we are going to have our AUX switches, our rear window sliding switch, and some of the lights. Now, like I said before, this vehicle is available here, and it's pretty much the only one in the area. 450 miles about away is the closest thing comparable to this. Don't try to go that far. Don't travel for it. Just come in here to Currie Motors Ford. We'll take care of you. We'll send you home in this vehicle.